Alright, everybody. This is Slim's Tiny Farm. Not too slim today, but this is how I like training my dogs. They like to eat the eggshells from my eggs in the morning. These are the eggs from the chickens. You see them going crazy because they want some too. I gotta give some to the chickens. They're going bananas. Were you jealous? Yes, No Name. No Name is able to be handled. She's a good girl. She's dirty. She's dirty. Ducks are dirty. It's okay though. I love dirt. I like dirt a lot. And I like my ducks. Get dirt on me though. How's your beak? Your beak is looking pretty. You're looking pretty. My pretty duck. Now. Oh. None doesn't like to be held as much, but I can hold her. She's getting better. She's learning. She's being a good dog. This is what we do. Like and subscribe if you like ducks in the morning. Like and subscribe if you eat eggs in the morning. Just like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Everybody have a great day. Quack, quack.